Hello there everyone, my name is Nasrallo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today a quick update on Bitcoin as to what has happened, and I'm supposed to be traveling right now to Abu Dhabi to Yas Marina racetrack because we have a racing day today. But nonetheless, I'm doing a quick update so that you stay in tune with the market and what is happening, because we saw a big pump and then dump in Bitcoin, and the reason a lot of people are screaming, sell your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is over, this is it, this is proof, whatever. So I decided to, that's why the title says sell your Bitcoin or not. So let me explain what happened yesterday and what I'm personally doing with my long trade, etc. And just let's get straight into this. And we're seeing technically that we had this wedge, and then on CPI came out better than expected. It actually pumped, and then look, and then we dumped with a lot of volume. And right now it's consolidating. So a lot of people are calling for the continuation of this downside move just because, you know, it's obvious that we're going to be crashing because of volume. What we have to understand is the reason why the Bitcoin price actually dumped after pumping. A lot of people said that it's because when CPI came out, it was good, the market was positive, and then it changed its mind. The answer is no, wrong. It's not the reason why it happened. So let me explain to you exactly the reason behind it, and then we're gonna take a look at something that I think is even more important than this. And also wanted to mention that, guys, we are preparing some really cool trades in my free Discord channel, and again, this is what it looks like. There is a link to it down in the description of this video, and this is where we post all of my trades and the trades of my team, and the actual trade results. If we're gonna take a look, we have like 40,000 traders in here. The trade result, this is the trade results of our members, and I mean the trade results are absolutely astonishing, like 400%, 30%, 20%, 255%. So if you want to become part of this community, it's free. It's again, there is a very simple instruction right here as to how to join this VIP signal section. You have to go down in the description of this video, click the link, and join us immediately. So now let's get to the topic, because my team is preparing some really cool trades. Now let's quickly talk about what happened and the reason why Bitcoin pumped and then dumped. So here is the answer. Crypto market dumps over rumors of US government selling Bitcoin. And we've already had this situation before, didn't we? It was right at the peak when they came out and said that Mt. Gox Bitcoin and also the Bitcoin of the US government from Silk Road is being dumped, which was inaccurate. Nothing was actually dumped. So, and because of it, we saw this big dump, and it was just fear. And that's why I said I'm not believing in the continuation of the downside move because of this. So the same thing goes for it's the same yesterday. I mean, there was rumors of US government selling Bitcoin, which they actually did not. And it just sparked, you know, huge panic. And because the market right now, you know, it's actually very, you know, like prone to manipulation like this, or maybe it's actually done on purpose. Tell me in the comments if you think it's on purpose. But yeah, so I'm not selling my Bitcoin. It's stupid. I will never sell my freaking Bitcoin, especially because of something like this. This is so stupid. People who sell their Bitcoin right now are gonna regret this 5 years down the road, regardless of the short-term volatility. This is guaranteed. This is what I can guarantee you today. Now, what I think I wanted to show you today as well, before we cut this video short, something that is so important that I almost cannot believe this, honestly, guys. And that is this thing right here. US congressman actually says maybe we do print money out of thin air, but we're the US government. I mean, you have to listen to this. Listen to this. Let me make sure the sound is on.
Crypto bros make money literally by making money, and they've made over $1 trillion out of thin air. They'll accuse the US government of making money out of thin air. Maybe we do, but we're the US government.
Thanks, buddy, for proving the point and just doing another advertisement for Bitcoin, because they just said that, and that's what I mean, everybody knows this, but some people just believe that it's just something different. US government literally prints money out of thin air to plug the holes of their international debt, and that's why they're increasing the debt ceiling right now, because as a business model, US government is failing, it's bankrupt. And it's been bankrupt for a long time. The only difference is that they get a chance. They have this printer that they can print money and keep sustaining this dead cat. So anyway, and this guy, look at this face. He just, focus, look at him. He's laughing, I don't know. It's funny, but he just dropped this bomb, and it just proves the point that, you know, there are cryptocurrencies out there that are rubbish, right? There's 20,000 plus cryptos today. So, and trust me, like 99% of those are shit. They're garbage. They have nothing of value. But then certain cryptocurrencies out there actually are not thin air. and have not, I mean, maybe they have initially been created out of theoretically thin air, but they've actually gained popularity and they gained power, computing power and community power and reserve currency kind of power for the future generations to come potentially. So there's a big difference between unlimited supply and limited supply. That's it. This is the holy grail. This is the whole difference that there is, nothing else. So this is the economical aspect. So yeah, guys, this is what I mean. That's why holding Bitcoin, he just basically, what he said here is that holding Bitcoin is actually better if you listen to this correctly. Because, yeah, I mean, it's just interesting. So for me, because we had this dump based on just fear, so I'm not expecting, to be honest, I mean, anything can happen. This is not financial advice. I can be just as wrong as anybody else. But we're currently standing, again, at this very important support. And we actually had a wick lower, but we faced a lot of support. Look, a lot of support. There was a lot of volume here, and we got supported. So I wanted to add to my long trade, but I wanted to add at like 26.5, so it didn't come close to it. Unfortunately, I wanted to add here, and as you said, as you might remember, at 25K. So for now, I think we might actually move to the upside and retest these levels of 29K potentially. Again, anything can happen. They can drop a bomb again, something that we cannot really predict every second. And then the only thing sometimes we can only explain. But predicting sometimes can be more challenging than it looks. But that's this is what I expect right now, guys. Check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And as always, peace and love, Thomas Krallo, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.